hello, hello, hello. A warm welcome to all of us. Good morning. This is the Western Regional Context, Day 4, Contest 2. We would like to acknowledge our sponsors, our collaborators, our media partners, our premier College of Science at the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, in collaboration with Ghana Education Service, DEX Technologies, and ERIDEC Ghana, are the proud organizers of the Junior Science and Maths Quiz 2025. We do appreciate our wonderful sponsors, KUST Learning for all our media and beverages, Institute of Distant Learning, KNUST, thank you. Your venue provided us with a place for us to have this wonderful context. DEX Technologies, we are extremely grateful. We thank you for the technological challenge. And we are also extremely grateful to Gridco Company Limited, MTN Management, wonderful media partners, Kesben TV, thank you so much. We deeply appreciate your dedicated support and collaboration. Our wonderful head teachers of all the respective schools, our dedicated headmasters, we are so appreciative and we do acknowledge all the sacrifices you have done in preparing our dear contestants, wonderful, gallant ladies and gentlemen who are representing their schools. You are warmly welcome. And we do acknowledge you, we celebrate you for all the hard work you have put in to be here. Of course, Jsmq will not be exciting, but to our jubilant supporters, please, can we give ourselves a resounding, thunderous round of applause? Excellent. My name is Dr. Sandra Abankwakwa of the Department of Theoretical and Applied Biology, KNUST. So there are several quizzes, but Jsmq is not just a quiz. It is tailor-made for learners in junior high school so that they exhibit the understanding of basic principles underlying life and physical sciences. Oh, I am so sure our schools are well poised, ready to deliver. Competing today in this contest is Fulfilled Life Academy, Woodbridge International School, don't worry, I'll give you the time to clap, New Pathways Academy. Good, yes, now you do it, now you do it, now you do it. Excellent. So we would want to know our contestants, their names, their levels where they are in class, and then we proceed to today's contest. Fulfilled Life Academy, can we hear from you?
Lodibeg, a true Atma, a basic 7 student.
Janet Kumsin, a basic 8 student.
Excellent. Can we give it up for them? Thank you, ladies. Woodbridge International School.
Samuel Benedict Kofi.
Your level, please. Samuel.
I'm in basic 8 piece.
Excellent.
Michael Achampon, basic 8.
Thank you very much. Oh, do it better. Good. New Pathways Academy.
Grace Enyima Efua Yankee.
Your level, Grace?
Basic 8.
Thank you, Grace. Yes.
Kelsey Abekwe. Basic 7.
Wonderful. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Again, can we do it up for them? I kindly entreat all my contestants to please make sure that your microphones are on. Do not turn them off. They should be on till the end of the contest. And you do have buzzers in front of you, right? Good. Can we hear the buzzers starting from new pathways? Again, new pathways. This is working perfectly. Woodbridge International School. Wonderful. Woodbridge again. Excellent. It is also working wonderfully. Fulfilled. Yes, that's the sound of fulfillment. Again. Wonderful, 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 wonderful. So, there will be 4 rounds in this contest. Round 1 would be fundamentals. Round 2, fastest brain, fastest finger. Round 3, science and technology challenge. Round 4, decoding the clues round or the riddles round. My dear contestants, I will be reading the instructions at the beginning of each round. Please, are we ready? I see a lot of writing. I'm not too sure what is happening. Please, are we ready?
Yes, please.
Oh, I want to hear from all of us. Ladies and gentlemen, please, are we ready? Can we start?
Yes, please.
Wonderful. Can we do an exercise? We breathe in. Come on, do it, do it. Out. Another one in. Out. Let's do a third one. In. Take it in, and then release it out. Excellent, excellent. So the fundamentals for round 1. This round consists of biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics, and ICT questions. If a school answers a question correctly, 3 points are awarded. If incorrectly answered, it becomes available as a bonus to the other 2 schools to compete for. The score for bonus question is 1 point. Schools will have 15 seconds to answer questions that do not require calculations and 40 seconds for those that do require calculation. Each school has a maximum of 2 attempts for this round. Good. When it's their main question, and 1 attempt when it is a bonus question. Bonus questions are open to the other 2 schools to compete for by pressing the buzzer. Failure to press the buzzer before attempting to answer would nullify that bonus question. Thus, no points will be scored even if you are right. Note this, no point to be scored even if you are right. Good. So I do sincerely wish you all the best. May we begin? So question 1, 15 seconds. This is to fulfilled. Which cellular process primarily occurs in the alveoli for gas exchange?
Respiration.
No last attempt. Timer bonus. Woodbridge.
Simple diffusion.
That is correct. Yes, for a bonus of 1. That is correct. Your substantive question, Woodbridge. Okay. What is the function of surfactant in the lungs, and how does it affect gas exchange?
It makes gas exchange easier in the lungs.
Come again.
It makes gas exchange easier in the lungs.
Bonus. Okay, time up. So you were to state the function and then how it affects gas exchange. And then you just state how it affects gas exchange. Okay, upon second thought, I'll give you 1 point. Okay, New Pathways Academy, New Pathways. Explain how chronic exposure to air pollutants can lead to structural changes in the respiratory system. Let's go, Grace.
Release of toxic substances such as carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. When we breathe in, it can cause various diseases in the respiratory system.
Gracie, I'm not giving that to you. All right, bonus. It causes airway remodeling. It impairs gas exchange. It causes inflammation. Please. Okay, question 2. We have 15 seconds. Woodbridge International School. What type of reaction involves one compound breaking down into 2 or more simpler substances? Time up, bonus, New Pathways.
Digestion.
That is not correct. All right, time up. Please, is decomposition reaction. New Pathways, your question. What type of reaction occurs when 2 elements combine to form a compound?
Binary fusion.
No, please. Gracie, can you leave the microphone, please? Last chance. Bonus. Oh. Combination or synthesis reaction. Fulfilled. Fulfill this question for me, please. What type of reaction occurs when an element replaces another in a compound? Bonus. New Pathways.
Chemical formula.
No, please. It's the displacement reaction or single displacement. We are moving on to question 3, 15 seconds. And there's a preamble to all schools, so kindly pay attention. Your school is organizing a debate and wants to design and print posters to announce the events. Which software would be best suited for each of the following tasks? New Pathways Academy. To design colorful posters with images and text.
Presentation software.
No, please, last chance.
Application software.
I'm so sorry. Bonus. Bonus. Oh. Is the Microsoft publisher. Okay. Fulfilled. To type and format the debate motion and print handouts. Fulfilled. Bonus, New Pathways.
Microsoft Word.
That is right, Microsoft Word. Thank you, thank you, thank you for a bonus point. Okay, Woodbridge. Woodbridge. To create a slideshow to introduce the debaters and the motion.
Microsoft PowerPoint.
That is right. So why were you hesitant? And kindly don't touch the microphones, please. Thank you very much. Okay, so we move on to question 4. 40 seconds. Fulfilled life. Fulfilled life. A capacitor stores a charge of 4C when a potential difference of 12 volts is applied. What is its capacitance?
Three.
No, please.
4.
Yes, you have another chance, please.
48.
No, please. Bonus? All right, time up. The answer is 0.333 farad. If I have not called out bonus and you press it, you will not be allowed to speak. When we call out the bonus, then you press and then you answer, please. Woodbridge. What is the charge stored in a 50 micro F capacitor when connected to an IV battery?
Whole number 5/9 coulomb.
Come again, please.
Whole number 5/9 coulomb.
I meant you were wrong, so come again. That's what I meant.
Whole number 5/9 coulomb.
Your time is up. Please, bonus. New pathways.
450 coulomb.
No, please. No, please. The answer is 0.00045 coulombs. Please. New pathways. A 450 micro F capacitor is charged using a 5V power supply. How much charge does it store? New pathways.
90.
No, come again.
0.0009 coulomb.
No, my dear. Bonus? For failed?
0.11 coulomb.
No, my girl. All right, time up is 0.00235 coulombs. Okay, so to question 5. This is for 15 seconds. Woodbridge International School. Wood, okay. A cake recipe calls for sugar and flour in the ratio 3:5. If you use 9 cups of sugar, how much flour do you need?
15 cups.
That is right. It is 15 cups. Sharp. New pathways. A paint mixture uses blue and yellow paints in the ratio 2:5. How much yellow paint is needed if you use 6 liters of blue paint? New pathways.
50 liters.
That is right, my girl. Excellent. Fulfilled. A recipe uses oil and vinegar in the ratio 1:4. If you have 12 tablespoons of vinegar, how much oil should you use? Fulfilled.
Three.
3 is right. Thank you. Thank you. 3 is correct. Question 6, and there's a preamble, and that is you are to state whether they are true. The following statements are true or false. There will not be any bonus during this section. Rapt attention. New Pathways Academy. 90 is equal to 2 times 3 raised to the power 2 times 5. True or false?
True.
True. It is true. Thank you. Thank you. Excellent. Fulfilled Life Academy. 75 is equal to 3 raised to the power 2 times 5. True or false?
False.
False! It is right. It is never correct. Not at all. Woodbridge International. Woodbridge 121 is equal to 11 raised to the power 2. Is it true or is false?
True.
That is correct. It is true. It is true. Question 7. Fulfilled. The BIOS is responsible for loading the operating system during startup. True or false?
False.
With all the smiles, I'm sorry, it is not false. It is true. Wood bridge, the component of a computer responsible for managing hardware operations and running software, is the CPU. Is it a true or false statement? Wood bridge.
True.
Oh, Samuel, it's not true. Samuel, is false. New pathway. System software includes programs like word processors and spreadsheets. True or false?
False.
Yes, with all that confidence, you had it correct. It would have been sad if it was wrong. So on that note, we come to the end of round 1. We will be back shortly with the results. Thank you. We are back and the scores are looking exciting, tight. So at the end of round 1, Fulfilled Life Academy had 6 points. Clap for them, my dear ladies. Wonderful performance. New Pathways Academy had 10 points. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Woodbridge, gallant guys in the block, 11 points. 11. So we know that anything can happen in this contest. But before we move on to the next round, we are so much excited, appreciative, use all the diction you know of our organizers. The Premier College of Science, Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, of course, the Premier University, Ghana Education Service, DEX Technologies, Eridec Ghana. We thank you for your collaboration with KNUST. We appreciate KNUST e-learning. We appreciate KNUST Institute of Distance Learning. We are so appreciative of DEX Technologies, Gridco, MTN, Nestle Ghana, our media partners, Kesben TV. Thank you so much, our teachers, our head teachers. Round 2. Round 2 is known as the fastest brain, fastest finger. I would like us to note that immediately a school presses its buzzer, the other schools, your buzzers will be deactivated. So you may be pressing and pressing, but nothing will be coming because one has surpassed you. So kindly note that. Okay. During this round, one question will be read out and contestants would compete to be the first to answer. Each question carries a score of 4 points. When a contestant is ready to respond, they should press the buzzer. Then they will be called before they attempt to answer. Answering before pressing the buzzer will disqualify the school from the particular question. After the buzzer is pressed, please, you must answer immediately. Otherwise, after 3 seconds, you would be taken out of that question. If a school gets the question wrong, the remaining 2 schools gets to compete to answer. Each school will have a maximum of one attempt, please, to answer the question. A wrong answer in this round, unfortunately, attracts a penalty of 1 point. Fastest brain, fastest finger, I wish you well. We start. Remember, your answer should be straight to the point, succinct. If it meanders, you will not be giving the points. Good. 1 attempt. Fastest brain, fastest finger. An example of a primary plant micronutrient is new pathways.
Zinc.
Zinc is right. Zinc is correct, please. Zinc is correct. Thank you. Thank you. Wonderful. Fastest brain, fastest finger. In an email communication, what field is used to send a copy of a message to additional recipients without the primary recipient seeing it? Wood bridge.
Blind carbon copy.
That is right. Is the blind carbon copy. Excellent. Wonderful. Fastest brain, fastest finger. What hormone has the function of helping the kidneys of terrestrial vertebrates in water balance regulation? Come on, my people, let's go. Oh, it is the ADH, the antidiuretic hormone, or the vasopressin. We move on. A woman puts 500 Ghana cedis into a savings account for 1 year. The interest rate on the account was 6%. How much was the interest for the year? Woodbridge.
30 Ghana cedis.
That is right. It is 30 Ghana. 30 Ghana cedis. Fastest brain, fastest finger. What type of energy is converted into light when a bulb is connected to a battery? New pathways.
Electrical energy.
Electrical energy is right. It's right. Thank you. Thank you. The process by which an air freshener placed in a box gets smaller in size is Woodbridge. Woodbridge.
Sublimate.
Woodbridge. Answer me. Okay, Woodbridge, you wasted time. Fulfilled. The next one was fulfilled life.
Sublimation.
Fulfilled life. Sublimation, that is correct. Woodbridge, you wasted too much time. Sublimation is right. Next, the SI units for density is Woodbridge. Woodbridge.
Density is measured in kilogram per meter cube.
That is correct. That is correct. That is correct. Next. 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 So I ring my bell. Let's try the bells again. Woodbridge. Press your bell, Woodbridge. I said Woodbridge should press their bells first, please. New Pathways, press your bell. And then Fulfilled, press your bell. Please listen to me. The bells or the buzzers are fashioned in such a way that when one school presses it, the rest of your buzzers are deactivated unless it is allowed. So when you press and it's not coming, please don't interrupt the contest. Please. The bells or the buzzers are functioning perfectly. Wonderful. Thank you for understanding. The next one, pay attention. If the perimeter of a square is 24 centimeters, what is its area? Woodbridge.
36 centimeters squared.
That is right. That is correct. So on that note, we come to the end of round 2. We'll be back shortly with the results, please. Can we give a resounding round of applause to all our contestants, please? Oh, I can't hear it. Are people clapping at all? Yes. Wonderful. Excellent. So before we move to the third round, and in the absence of no substitution, we want to hear how we fared. Okay, so for Field Life Academy, you had 4 points. Thank you. Oh, clap for them. It's noisy. Okay, they are trying. New Pathways Academy, you had 8 points. Can we give it up for them? Wonderful. Woodbridge International School, you had 15 points. Wonderful, wonderful. Western Regional Contest, Day 4, Contest 2, has been brought to you, or is being brought to you by Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, the College of Science. And it is under the proud sponsorship of KNUST e-learning, KNUST Institute of Distance Learning, DEX Technologies, Practical Sciences Now, Practical, Gridco, MTN, and Nestle Ghana. Kesbin TV, our proud media partners. We are very appreciative, and we are so enthused, excited about all the help you are giving us. Our teachers, our head teachers, thank you so much. Round 3. Round 3. That is our Science and Technology Challenge round. One question will be given to all schools. The question in this round will require contestants to perform a task that will be assessed. The score for this round is 10 solid points. 10 points can be a game changer. Contestants will be given up to 10 minutes to complete the task. Round 3 is powered, of course, by our dear DEX Technologies, DEX Science Sets. I read the preamble. You have been provided with 3 resistors labeled R1, R2, and R3. Battery labeled BT, connecting wires, and multimeter. You are to complete the electrical investigation by following the task below. First one, connect resistors R1, R2, R3 individually to the battery and measure voltage across each. Connect 2 resistors R1 and R2 in series and measure total voltage drop across both resistors and individual voltage drops. Connect the same 2 resistors in parallel and measure the voltages. Explain how voltage divides in series and parallel resistor combinations. If we all have our components, I am now about to say start work, so don't jump start it. Stop, please. Stop. So you should always wait for start work before you start. Okay, thank you. Start work. Start work. Yeah, so yeah, and I'm saying that I'm not. Thank you. A minute more, please. A minute more, please. We should be getting ready to stop. Time up, time up. Stop work, please. Time up, time up. Please leave whatever you are doing. Everything down, sit back, relax. We'll go for a short break, Mark, and then we'll bring the results. Please, nobody should touch anything again. Thank you. Thank you. We are back. We are back. There's a lot of conversations going on. Please, we are back. We are back, wonderful people. So before we take our substitution, we move to the next round. Let's see how we fared. Round 3 required that for the first stacks we connect resistors. And individually R1, R2, R3 to the battery and measure the voltage across each. And that was supposed to have been, please can you pay attention? Please pay attention. Please pay attention. I need your attention. Thank you. 8.8 to 9.3. The second one was to connect two resistors R1 and 2 in series, measure total voltage drop across the two resistors and individual voltage drops. And for the second task, we had the total voltage equal to the terminal voltage, so R1 is equal to 4.51 or half terminal voltage, R2 is equal to 4.52 or half terminal voltage. The third task was to connect the same two resistors in parallel and measure the voltages, and that was the voltage is the same, current divides inversely with resistance. The last was to explain how voltage divides in series and parallel resistor combination. In series, the third one was R1 is equal to R2, terminal voltage 8.8 to 9.3. So for the last one, parallel voltage is the same, current divides inversely with resistance. And then with the series, voltage divides in proportion to resistance, current is the same. So look at, there is a lot of feedback. Please, can we get it? Thank you. Looking at how we fared, fulfilled, let me start with you. So fulfilled, you did well. However, one answer for your task 1 is incorrect. For your task 3, you cannot provide an answer. And so totaling, you have 7/10. Can we? Woodbridge, for your task 2, you had a wrong answer given. The right you were okay, so you had 9/10. New pathways. For your task 2, you had no results provided, and so you also end up with 9/10. So at the end of the third round, putting everything together, Fulfilled Life Academy, you are doing so well. You have 17 points. 17. Yeah. And we have New Pathways Academy following, leading Fulfilled with 27 points. We have to appreciate them. And Woodbridge International School leading both Fulfilled and New Pathway with 35 points. All right, Coastal not clear yet. There's round 4 to go, the last round. But before then, there are substitutions, 2 of them. Fulfilled Academy, can we give a resounding round of applause to Cloudy Beck from Fulfilled? Cloudy Beck, can we give it up for Cloudy Beck? Yes, and coming, replacing her is Kweku Intim. Oh, I am not hearing any clapping. Good. New Pathways New pathways. New pathways. Kelsey. Can we give it up for Kelsey? Is being replaced with Cambodina. Cambodina, welcome, welcome, welcome. Can we reduce the talking, please? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Cambodina, you are welcome. Kwakuntim, you are welcome. Thank you for joining us. Round 4. Round 4. Last round. Ready? Oh. Ready? You won't mind me. Are you ready?
Yes.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Round 4. So the preamble. This round is called the Decoding the Clues round or the Riddles round. The question will be read out as series of clues. If the question is answered on the first clue is 6 points. Please listen, listen. On the second clue is 5. On the third is 4. On the fourth and other indications, 3. I'll be using my fingers so that you know on which clue you are on. Contestants, you are to press the buzzer before attempting to answer. Again, I repeat, when one school's buzzer goes first, the rest of the schools, your buzzers are deactivated. So it doesn't matter how many times you are pressing, it will not come through. It doesn't mean that your buzzers are not working. Of course, we'll try the buzzers on this note. So let's try it. New pathways. Can we hear your buzzer? Yes, Wood. Can we hear your buzzer? Woodbridge. Good. And then fulfilled. Can we hear your buzzer? So we can all appreciate the fact that our buzzers are working. Please, we all appreciate the fact that our buzzers are working. Excellent. Failure to press your buzzer before answering will disqualify you from that question and will nullify your answer, even if it's right. And you should note also that for this round, there are no half marks. It's all or nothing. All or nothing. So don't say part of it and expect to be given half a mark. It's all or nothing. Wonderful. Since we are all on the same page, round 4 begins. We are the result of fertilization in flowering plants. One of us develops into the embryo. The other develops into nutritive tissue. Our formation is a unique characteristic of angiosperm. We ensure efficient resource allocation for the next new pathways.
The sperm and the egg.
I'm sorry, that is not right. We ensure efficient resource allocation for the next generation who are fulfilled.
You are the seed.
No. Please. Woodbridge.
The ovule.
No. No. The zygote and endosperm. Next set. I hold all members from 2 sets without repeating any. In a Venn diagram, I cover everything inside both circles. Yes, new pathways.
Universal set.
No, please. I represent the idea of all in set language. I combine all elements from the sets involved. Fulfilled.
Intersection.
No, please.
Intersection.
No, please. Woodbridge.
Union.
No, please. So like I rightly said, all or nothing. Union of what? So union of set or sets. Set 3. I shape the earth, yet have no shape myself. I fall, flow, and rise without wings. I'm made of 3 atoms, small and light. Woodbridge.
Water.
That is correct. It is water. It is water. On the second clue. On the second clue. Excellent. Set 4. Set 4. I ripple through matter, unseen to the eye, yet you hear me when I pass by. I move not up, not down, but front to back. My push-pull motion keeps me on track. I travel impulses compress, rarefaction through air or solids across the land. Sound rides on me to reach your ear with vibrations traveling far and near. Who am I? Ladies and gentlemen, who am I? Longitudinal waves. So on that note, we come to the end of the 4th round and the end of the contest. We'll be back shortly with the results. Thank you. Life, and we are ready for what's transpired. But before I start, I need to hear the clapping. I need to hear the clapping. Can we give it up? Give it up. Oh, come on, give it up to our wonderful contestants. You have been wonderful, you have excelled, you have tried your best. So at the end of the contest, Fulfill Life Academy, the first. New Pathways, did they emerge as winners? Woodbridge International, Let's see. For Field Life Academy had 17 points, 17. They had no points for round 4. New Pathways Academy had no points for round 4. They had 27 points. You shouldn't look too sad. You've done well. Woodbridge International School had 5 points for round 4. They emerged the winners with 40 points. 40 points. On that note, I have been your quiz mistress, Dr. Sandra Abankwakating. See you again another time. Thank you, Woodbridge, for that excellent performance. Thank you. Bye for now.